Hello Ecom world, it's your man Ecom King Majid and I'm back again with another video, and this video is really important for you if you are not having that conversion rate that you deserve, because a lot of people, they complain a lot they are not getting a good conversion rate, but they don't really understand like their landing page and the layout of the theme. Like there are lots of reasons why your store is not getting enough sales. Maybe it's because of your ads, maybe it's because of your landing page and all these, but having a good and professional landing page, a professional theme can help you to increase your conversion rate, so you can get more sales and generate much more traffic. So I'm gonna be showing you a theme that was like $180, but right now it's 100, like it's just free. It's not like $180 anymore. And most of the dropshipper who are famous, who are very professional, they are using this theme, but no one is talking about this theme. And you can get this theme for free now because they are totally free right now. So you may find lots of other theme like JVO. I mean, sorry, not JVO is a free theme, but this was not a free theme, but now it's a free theme. So I'm talking about Turbo Booster, as you have as you have already some idea about this theme, like Turbo and Booster, because these were the best theme for Shopify store. For now, the base theme is called like debutify. Why I'm saying that, I'm gonna be showing you like how the store looks with a debutify theme. So this is the world's best #1 theme so far for Shopify, and you won't really find any better than like this one, because this is really important that you install this theme in your store and customize it so that it looks really good and really professional. And let me know in the comment below if you don't know how to customize this theme that I'm going to show you now. So let's have a look at their demo. So as you can see, like the demo of this store looks really clean, really professional. I like the layout of this theme. It like they have a really big bold add to cart, and they have pop-up which looks really good, and you can utilize this pop-up as well, like sales pop-up. And this is the website. It looks really amazing, and the theme cost was over $180. So if I go to a product page, like people can purchase the product from here. And also this is the landing page. It looks really clean and really professional with a streaky add to cart button on the top, and all this looks really clean, frequently bought together. This is a third-party app that you can use so that people can buy in bulk, or like a few products at the same time. We just adding to cart them together. So it will be really good if you have that app as well. This is a really good app, but don't really need. But the theme looks really good. As you can see, like suggested products and testimonials, it looks really professional. And I definitely recommend this theme because I'm using this theme for all of my stores, and I think that you will also use this theme because this is free and it will help you to boost your conversion rate, and your website will look really amazing. And as I say, if you don't know how to customize this theme, you can tell me in the comment below that should I create a video how to customize this theme or not. So I will do a video on that, how to customize the theme and create a Shopify store properly. So no problem with that. So for downloading this theme, you will have to go here, and let's say I'm gonna download this theme. Ecom King budget average of gmail.com. Okay, so this is my email, and I'm going to download this theme, get the 100% free here. Okay, so now I need to put my website URL. So put your the store URL that you have, like the store name dot myshopify.com. So I'm just creating a demo store, so just to show you how to do that. So I'm gonna download this theme in my store, and I'm gonna be showing you how you can upload it here to your store. So it's just like a demo store, as I told you. So I'm just showing you, because I'm going to show you, like, teach you how to install the theme in your store. So you need to install unlisted apps. So they have an app, so you just need to install this one, and you can definitely uninstall that app when you have that theme in your store. So here you go. Here we have that debutify theme. So add to theme library, download debutify theme, and add to theme library. So after you do that, you will go to the online store, and after that theme, and you will see that you have the theme here. It's calling debutify 202. So after that, you need to customize this theme, and if I show you the preview of this theme, like, this is totally free, and this is really an amazing. So this is the preview of your store and how your store will look like. As you can see, it looks really clean, really good. And now you will have to customize this theme, and you can go here. And if you don't know like how to customize your theme, and I'm going to be showing you that in my next video. If you have liked this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, and make sure to subscribe to my channel. After that, I'm going to be showing you how you can create a really good website with this theme, and how to customize this theme perfectly so that you can get the best result. And after that, you just need to go to apps, and now as you have installed the theme, you don't really need this app, so you can go and delete this app after when you are done with the installation of this app. So does not meet my needs or something like that, whatever you think, like, delete this app, but you still have this theme in your store. As you can see, like, we have Wify, and you can publish these themes in this button saying publish. When you click publish, this theme will be published in your store. So this is a demo website that I have created just to show you how you can install this theme to your website. So this is the theme is published here, and here you go. So when you have the products and all these, everything, your banner, logo, and everything, it will look really good, to be honest, and it will help you a lot to boost your conversion. Because now I can really show you, like, let's say click on any of this product page and see, like, it's taking here and telling me to import a product, because there is no product, and I will show you that, like, how to add products and customize your theme and all these in the next video, hopefully. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope that it helps you a lot, and make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And that's it for today, and we'll see you soon in the next video.